Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Gemini Advanced. First, you just need to open your Gemini application on your device, then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Now, where you will find this Try Gemini Advanced here. Now tap on it, and from here you will find it has just opened the Google one, where you will find the amount of the Gemini Advanced that you have to pay and other services here like this. Now you will get 1 month free access of Gemini Advanced as a free trial. So you can start a trial without paying a single penny here, or you can just go with the paid version. You can just pay for it for the first time without experience any trial version. So I prefer you start a trial, so you can just tap on it and tap on agree to their term of services. After that, they will just ask you for add your payment method like your credit card or debit card, then so they can just connect with your payment method, and they can they can get a permission to automated payment from you. So you can just pay for the next month. After the free trial period will over, they will ask you for pay for the paid version. So you can then pay for the Gemini Advanced, and you can easily use Gemini Advanced on your device. So at the time it's easy to use, and it is way more advanced than all the Gemini version. So here you can see the Gemini free version is 2.0 Flash, or there's another like 2.0 Flash thinking, deep research, or personalization here. But all of them above Gemini Advanced will perform better than the free version. So that's how you can just easily use Gemini Advanced on your device. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.